Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to fold down the rear seats in a Mazda 3. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Right now, I'm in a 2010 Mazda 3, and it's nighttime. That's why I have this flashlight shining. So I'm sorry about the poor lighting, but I really wanted to do this video right now, and this is pretty much how I can make it happen. It's the only way that I can make it happen. Now, like I said, this is a 2010 Mazda 3, but it's going to be a very similar process for the majority of Mazda 3s that are from the modern years. So right now I'm in the back seat, and on either side, so right here we have the passenger side, and I'm sitting on the driver's side in the rear seat in the middle of the night right now, okay? So on the passenger side, you're going to see that there's actually this little button right here, and this button can be pressed down, and there's the equivalent. My hamstring is cramping up, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to maneuver my way around here. It's kind of tight back here, considering the fact that I'm on my knees on the seats. There's the equivalent button right here on the driver's side. Now I'm going to work with the passenger side just because it's a little bit easier to work with, because that's where the separation is, okay? So 2/3 of the seats fold down with the driver's side, and then 1/3 of the seats folds down with the passenger side in this car. All that you got to do right over here is push this button down. So I'm going to push it down and then pull the seat towards the front of the car. Sorry about that. As you can see, I can fold it down. Now, one thing to make sure that you do is make sure that you take your actual front seat and you move it up. Because if your front seats are further back, like this one is right here, then it's not going to be able to fold down. Now, like I said, I'm sorry about the poor lighting, but this is the best that I could do. So you could do this for either side or both sides together if you want to store like something long, like a snowboard in here or something like that. Whenever you're done with the seats being folded down, you simply push them back up and it clicks in place. So as you can see right there, it's now locked. Once again, to fold them down, you push that button and you sort of fold them forward, okay? As you can see right there. And then it allows them to lay relatively flat so you can fit larger things in there. Or let's say you have like some cool subwoofers in the trunk and you want to really hear your bass from in the front seat. Whenever you're done with your seats being folded down, you just push them back up like that. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.